Okay, I thought I'd throw up a little video, kind of a before and after of an AC unit and a heater box for, this is for 67 to 72 GM trucks. Pretty much anything from, truck, Blazer, Suburban, maybe in a panel truck. Heck, even if your it could be C10, C20, C30, even C40, 50, 60 if they came with AC. Yeah, just wanted to show like a quick before and after of how they look when they get restored. So here's one that obviously hasn't been restored. Bought this a little while back. Just go over a few parts on it. This is the housing. It's made out of fiberglass. This is your expansion valve. These are original Frigidaire expansion valves. Same thing with your POA valve. It's an original one. Vacuum canister. They all have them. Your blower motor, little vent tube, ground wire. This way here. Obviously the evaporators on the inside. These particular units have little doors here that flap open. A lot of times, yeah, you're going to get crap and leaves. The really bad ones will have rodents living up inside of them, and yeah, pretty nasty. They tend to rust out quite a bit. Some of them do, along here, back up in here, along here, up in here. You can't really see it, but there's your squirrel cage on the inside. There's more leaves. But yeah, this is pretty much typical of how most of them look when you get them off a truck. Same thing with the heater box. Heater box goes inside the cab. This one doesn't have anything left on it except the resistor here. I took the heater core actually out of it. So yeah, it's pretty much the way they look when you get them out of the truck. Now, this is how they look when they're restored. You can't get original, these here. Can't really get new ones of those. So you get this style right here, vacuum canister here. The expansion valve and the POA valve, they're both rebuilt and they're both replated. So are the little clamps, as you can see there. Clamp there, clamp right there. I put new rivets on them. They're not the factory correct ones, but they work just as good. Also, the rivets all around there. New blower motor. Cleaned up the vent tube, ground wire. Let's see, I'll put the red dot back on them. That's factory. This up here. Also replate this rod here that connects to the. Turn this thing around. You can see it better. All right. It connects the door here. Can't really see your squirrel cage in there, but yeah. So I clean all these up, make these look really nice again. Obviously, you're going to need a new gasket on there, but this is for a customer, so his evaporator was good, so I didn't need to put a new evaporator in there. But if not, it would have had a new evaporator. It was pressure checked, it was flushed and pressure checked. I also replate this little clamp here. And as far as the heater box is concerned, let me scoot this over a little bit here. I replate these little parts here, like that there. Put a new relay on them, new screws. these screws here that go through the firewall, those are replated. This panel, I take it out, bead blast it, paint it. It's a new heater core. Little clamp here that holds the tubes for the heater core, that's also replated. So are the actual clamps that actually hold the heater core. Those are also replated. So, and it's got put gum cord in there just to kind of help seal it. I forgot to mention that about the on the AC box, but yeah, that's pretty much how it's done here. Replate the original resistor, so that's ready to be bolted back on, minus the gasket. But you can just get a gasket set. Yeah, I forgot to mention that here. Putting new cork tape right there, and the gum cord that goes in between the housing sections to help seal it. So a quick look at it. You can get a better camera, but yeah, so if any of you guys are interested, got 67 to 72 GM pickup truck. You can contact me, you can message me, send me a message, or in the comment section. It's one of the things that I do in terms of these classic vehicles, is I do the restoration of the factory AC parts. So yeah, I just thought I'd throw this video up. Like I said, that's before and after. There's before and after. This particular set here is for a customer out of California. It's going into a 71 Blazer, so I gotta get ready to pack it up and ship it out. But yeah, my name's Benny, and you probably, maybe some of you maybe seen my work on the forums. Let's see, on eBay, on Facebook. You can just look up Factory Auto Air. So yeah, any questions, man, just you can hit me up here on YouTube, and we can go from there. All right, thanks.